Right, good morning everyone. I'm going to show you now. I've got this that I took off a bag, like a box bag, that I want to stand up on there. I don't know how to get that out. I think it's enamel, so I might have to just go over it. But I'm also going to show you how to make this gorgeous foam flower. And they're really easy. Probably could do with another couple of petals around it. But I'm going to fix that onto there. And then I'm going to add maybe that and a couple of other little flowers as well. Because I absolutely loved them. So first of all, let's put this on. I just want it because I think it'll look nice stood up. But to stand that up, I'm going to have to glue on some wire. So I've taken some wire. And let me just... I need to bend it. Bend it. I also need to chop it. So, for the back plate, it's going to have to go on about that. So I'm just going to bend it there. And about there. Like that. So it's going to stand... Right, okay. Now, let me just see how high I need the damn thing. Alright, okay. So about that, I'm going to bend it back this way. I have to gauge this. Probably there. That looks about right. And I'm just going to chop that. Don't waste that because you never know what that'll come in handy for. And that. Now, first of all, I'm going to attach it to the back here. That's the pearl, and that's the pearl, and then that has to fit back. Sorry, you'll just have to excuse me. Sorry, I'm trying not to answer the phone when I'm filming because it distracts me. That's going to be perfect for me. So I'm going to do the glossy accents where I've put that, because we can add little tiny flowers like that. So they sit in there like that. But I'm not fussed because the flowers will hold it as well. And I might just snip a little bit of that off. Like that. I'm going to do, just to hide that at the front, is to put a nice big pearl on there. Oh, classy. Classy. That's what I say. I've lost my pin. Here we are. Yeah. I'm just going to try and show you that. Look. Gorgeous, that, isn't it? And then I think some flowers like this, which I'm going to make a couple more here, I think. Like that. well, I'm going to show you how to make the flower, but I'm going to fill this with other things, I think. Do the lid, because I like somebody rightly said yesterday in one of the comments, when you open it up, there's nothing to hold it. But I'm not going to do that yet until this is all dried. So I'm just going to leave that a little bit. Right, we're going to look for some flowers now. I love these. What I do is I go to the market and I go and have a look, see what they've all got. Because they do sell beautiful, beautiful flowers. And they're kind of like the same two-tone colours. And they look stunning. I'm just going to hold that in. I actually do like that. So, let's have a look at the back. We just need something to cover that. Now, oh, I'm going to put some of those in as well. So, what I might do is just cover that with a piece of card. So let me just find the bits. Here's a bit. See the bits we had. I'm not going to waste them, but no one's going to look at it anyway. Yeah, just cover it at the top. That's all I'm going to do. I'm not bothered if the squares go if the thingies go the other way. No one's actually gonna see it. Like that. I'm not fussed. But what I am going to do is just put a few leafy bits here. Now we've got all of that on. Just going to run the heat gun over it. which gets rid of all the fibres. I'm going to open the box. And it's going to have to go sideways, I think, like that. I've probably put that in the wrong place now. No, not necessarily. And that's going to be there. So I don't want too much of it. Let me just put that back down again. I can put a bit of felt over it if I'm not happy with it. I'm going to lift this up and just add mine to there. Like that. And just hang on for that to dry. See, I've gone on an angle. If you want an angle like that. And then, like I say, I can if I want to, which I might just do for safety, is to add a little bit of felt. Over the ribbon on both that and that, just to help it and secure it more, like that. Pop that in there. I don't think anyone... Oh, do you know I've used a different coloured felt? I'm not bothered. You know, it's just a box. It doesn't bother me at all. It just protects that and it's holding it up. Like that. I'm quite happy with that. I never thought of the colour, sorry. But yeah, I'm quite happy with my box, to be honest. It's got gorgeous feet on that I put on it. Nice, nice flowers. I should have put that going that way, but it matched it up. It doesn't matter. I'm not fussed. That can stand on my deck and I'm quite happy with it. So that's how you make them. I had to take the paper off because this wasn't sticking. So I will find a different glue to be able to glue it back on. But like I say, it's not going anywhere. It's not going to anybody else. I'm going to keep it. And just as a reminder of the box, it is easy once you know how. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.